Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ree's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seyran. Number 9. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's funeral. Number 8. Sila. Sila is a young girl who, shortly after being born, is snatched away from her family and her roots, taken to Istanbul, where she is adopted by a rich family who tell her that all her family died. Although from an Eastern origins, Scylla is brought up in a modern Western style. One day her perfect life crumbles when she meets her so-called dead family and their backward traditions. Her real father suddenly appears and lies that her mother is dying and she goes to Mardin to see her. Her life goes changes when she is forced to marry to Boran Aga, a total stranger, to save the life of her older brother. Now Sila is imprisoned in a world where tradition not law reigns. She searched for way to free herself and each day makes plans for her escape. Nevertheless, she struggles to run away from the growing and hopeless love she feels towards Buran Aga. Number 7. Kizil Gonjalar. Kizil Gonjalar tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of the Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Mariam must first earn money as a career in the house of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 6. Hadutso Sevda. Hadutso Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returned to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murdered Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Number 5. Safir series centers on the Gulsoy family, one of the most prominent families in Cappadocia, whose much revered lives come crashing down after an unexpected tragedy. Upon the return of their elder son Atesh from America, the Gulsoys reunite in one place after much time apart. Atesh, who lost their father in a traffic accident at a young age, left home refusing to submit to the overwhelming authority of the grandfather Umar. Upon his mother Gulfam's request, he returned home. after many years to join his brothers Yaman and Okan in taking over and expanding the family business established by his grandfather. Number 4. Gelsin Hayat Bil Digi Gibi. Most of the time, life comes as it knows. It is the same for Sadi Payasal, Ankar's indomitable bully. Sadi Payasal's past will follow him in Karabair High School, where he was appointed as a geography teacher, leaving his dirty past behind. One of the children who came to Karabair High School from the reformatory has a very special meaning for Sadi, but both are unaware of this. Another thing that Sadi Payasal is not aware of is the love and interest of Songul, the unruly policeman of the public security branch with whom he came from Ankara. Moreover, his life will turn into a dead end when he confronts her beloved Daria, whom he left behind unintentionally 17 years ago but never forgot. But with his unshakable sense of justice, he will balance his life and take care of 5 convicted students from the reformatory. Number 3. Gisli Sakli. Naz is fresh out of the police academy where she graduated at the top of her class. Serious, ambitious, and conscientious, she's lived her life by the book, and that's the kind of police officer she intends to be. Pamir is a veteran detective with a reputation for always getting his man. He is also the exact opposite of Naz, aggressive and ruthless. Pamir does not hesitate to bend the rules to reach his objective. He is also a bit of a lone wolf. Neither Naz nor Pamir are happy when their captain pays them up on a special undercover operation to take down Tariq Koschulu, a dangerous mafia don masquerading as a fish distributor. The unlikely couple are assigned to pose as newlyweds who just moved in across the street. Naz and Pamir can't stand each other, yet despite all their friction, they somehow manage to gain Tariq's trust. Then, just when the operation is on the verge of success, something incredible happens. They begin to fall in love, and that's when everything begins to unravel. Number 2. Ashk Mantik Intakam. Asra always swore that she would never marry a man like her father, whose business failures left her family bankrupt and struggling all through her youth. Then she met Uzan, a bright young engineer, entering the civil service. The two married and led a comfortable, stable life until the day Uzan quit his government job to start his own company. Soon Asra is hustling 3 jobs just to keep the family afloat, while Uzan bounces from one bankruptcy to another. Eventually, the two are divorced. Years later, Uzan's face is plastered over every newspaper, magazine, and news show. His social media app has made Uzan insanely rich, a tech celebrity, and one of the Turkey's most eligible bachelors. Asra is still hustling to keep her head above water when she runs into Uzan. Expecting an apology, Ezra is furious when Uzan acts cold and arrogant instead. Number 1. Uchki's Kardesh. Once upon a time, in a beautiful yet mysterious country, there lived 3 sisters named Turkhan, Donush, and Daria. As a close knit family, they would dream of a promising future every night, perhaps such an upbringing that was similar to a fairy tale on the pine scented streets of Evlik had not prepared them for the grim reality of adulthood. Over time, the sisters discovered that life and the choices that are accompanied by it are not as easy as they seem. Inconceivable secrets can be hidden even by those who are trusted the most, and horrific illnesses can lead to the resurrection of the past. This leads them to the question: is there anything in the world that time cannot heal? If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.